For 2008, the Toyota 4Runner comes equipped with more safety features. Being a traditional sport utility SUV, the Toyota 4Runner is built on a rugged ladder frame with a solid rear axle. The 4Runner's more traditional design gives it an advantage in long-term durability and on truly rugged terrain.